Alright, let's do an update on Centrepoint lifts in 2025, April. Still original. Get lift 1 first. Buzz. Number 14. Indicator's dead still, unsurprisingly. Cab view. Very, very nice lift still. Still run pretty good as well. Very smooth still. Well, pretty smooth, not as smooth as it used to be. ADF doors. Down to 10. Try and get lift 2 as well. Why not? This is new. They have these on each floor now, which is what floor it's on. Sensors are a bit rough now. Down to 1. Cab's in actually not bad condition. That I guess, and a few other things. A bit dirty. This roof hatch is actually lifted up, which is interesting. Like, so they had to rescue someone from it or something. Here's one. Still level perfectly, pretty much. Here's the one passenger host, which it has since, oh, I don't even know, 2020, 2019. Try and get lift 2 by sending this to, this is 7. Here's lift 2, which has a working indicator. Gonna be 2. Couldn't tell you which one's rougher. Got the 5. Well, that's a bit bouncy. I reckon these will stay here until like at least the start next year. I reckon next year. I say this every bloody time, but I reckon next year might be the year they get rid of them. Door operator, which is very rusty since there's a salt water. But yeah, that's it.